Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about making your daily routine easier and more effective. Today, we're exploring a game-changing tool for your oral care, a product that promises to take your smile to the next level. If you're tired of juggling between traditional flossing and your busy schedule, you might want to stick around for this review. We're diving into the Pyle portable handheld electric water flosser. This cordless, travel-friendly device is designed to give you a deep clean wherever you go. If you've been looking for a more efficient way to clean between your teeth and below the gum line without dealing with bulky floss picks or floss strings, this might be exactly what you need. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews. Let's get into it. The Pyle portable handheld electric water flosser comes in a sleek, ergonomic design that's easy to hold and perfect for on-the-go use. The flosser has a rechargeable battery, which means no more fiddling with cords, just a simple push of a button to get started. The device also comes with 2 interchangeable nozzle tips, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. One of the standout features of this flosser is its ability to provide a deep clean. With 1,700 pulses per minute, it can effectively remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth and even below the gum line. This makes it ideal for people with braces, crowns, or bridges. The 3 floss modes, normal, soft, and pulse, ensure that you can tailor the experience to your specific needs. Whether you're just doing a regular clean or want to gently clean sensitive gums, it's all covered. In terms of real-world use, I found this flosser to be incredibly convenient, especially when traveling. I often find myself in a rush, and flossing can feel like a chore. With the Pyle water flosser, it was a breeze to clean my teeth on the go. The 180mm water tank was more than enough for a thorough clean, and the 360-degree rotating jet nozzle made it easy to get to those tricky spots at the back of the mouth. I tried it at both home and during a weekend getaway, and the portable design really makes a difference. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. Pros: compact and portable. The handheld design is great for traveling and fits perfectly in your bag. Effective cleaning. The high pressure, up to 80 psi and multiple modes, make it easy to adjust based on your needs. It left my mouth feeling refreshed and clean. Rechargeable battery. No need for constant battery changes, just a simple recharge and you're good to go. Ergonomic design. Comfortable to hold, even during longer flossing sessions. 360-degree rotating nozzle. Helps you reach all the hard-to-reach areas with ease. Cons: water tank capacity. While 180 milliliters is decent for a quick clean, it might not be enough for those who like to floss longer or have larger mouths. Can be noisy. The high-pressure water stream can be a bit noisy compared to other models, so be prepared for some sound. Limited nozzle options. The 2 included nozzle tips are great, but some users might prefer more options for different needs, such as a gum care tip or orthodontic tip. As for the value for money, this water flosser is definitely worth considering if you're looking for a portable, efficient option at a reasonable price. While it's not the cheapest on the market, the convenience of having a cordless, rechargeable water flosser makes it a solid investment for people who prioritize their oral hygiene. If you've been spending money on dental visits or disposable floss picks, this could save you in the long run. Comparing it to other similar devices, the Pyle water flosser stands out with its compact, travel-friendly design. Other water flossers may offer more capacity or features, but they often come with higher price tags or bulkier sizes. If you're after something practical for your travel needs, this is a strong contender. In terms of build quality and longevity, the Pyle water flosser feels sturdy. The materials are durable, and I didn't experience any issues with the water tank or nozzle during my testing. The rechargeable battery also adds to its longevity, ensuring you don't need to replace it anytime soon. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are other water flossers at various price points, such as the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser, which offers a larger tank and more advanced features, but but comes at a higher price. If you're on a budget, the Toothbrush Power Flosser might give you similar results at a lower cost, though it lacks some of the Pyle model's portability. To wrap it up, the Pyle Portable Handheld Electric Water Flosser does exactly what it promises, offers a thorough clean, is easy to use, and is perfect for anyone who travels frequently. While it may not have the largest water tank or the quietest operation, its portability and performance make it a solid option for anyone who's looking to improve their oral hygiene. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.